Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy again from Chayatsuji Kimono. Today, I'll be showing you how to put on these extra collars. They're actually called date iri. These are like modern versions of what used to be worn as like a full second underlayer in between the juban and the kimono. Those were called kasane. It literally means like extra layer. And for formality reasons, they would be worn between the juban and the kimono. But given they were very heavy often, especially during the winter, these came to be. So this is the ones that you will attach to the collar. Now there are actually two different versions. This is the pre-folded one. It's like about 5 centimeters in width. And I brought out one of my other kimono. If you can see. So this is the collar itself, and then it has this extra lining. Now this is the full width version. If I put this one on top, you can see that it's actually double the width. This one will need to be folded, this one doesn't. You can pretty much use this one as is. Just let me put this one back. So for this tutorial, it doesn't really matter which version you have, whether it's attached, whether it's the pre-folded version or the full width one. Attaching is the very same process. However, when wearing it, when putting it on, it does make a difference. So I got one of my Furisode out, and up you can see these are like small clips that usually will come with the date iri itself. You will use these ones to attach it to the collar. Now mine came with 2. Usually there will be 3, hence I have one of my bobby pins attached as well. This one is a little bit too long, but if you have like a very small clip that's about the length of one of these, if yours doesn't come with the clips, that is, you can use it as well. Oop. Mine was second hand, so it only came with 2. Okay, just put the clips aside for now. What I first want to do is follow, let's see where the middle is. Now, unfortunately, where it was folded, and then you find the middle seam. This is where you will attach the first clip. You want to make sure that you put the date on top of it, because in the end we'll be folding it down. If you have like a full width, you can put it on top, but you can also attach it underneath here, like underneath the seam. Just need to focus. As I have the pre-folded one, I'll be attaching it on top of the collar. As you can see, it has, we can focus, has like these 3 prongs. And you'll be putting the date in between those 3 prongs. So that you can see it. And the other 2 I will attach as well, and just about 5 to 10 centimeters on each side from the middle, in the same manner. Push it all the way in, and then the last one. you. A good way of measuring is to see where the color folds naturally. This is like when you put the Furisode on, it's almost behind your ears. That's a good way to put these. So as you can see, I just fold the color in half, and this is where the data will be. Now from this point onwards, where it isn't attached, you can kind of play with how much you actually want the data to show. Stupid camera. There we go. So whether I want to show this much or even that much, at this point I can play with however much data I want to show. I actually do have a tutorial on how to wear one of these. It's like one of the more earlier videos that I made. That one works with the extra color on Furisode. However, the main principle of how to use one is the same. So if you want to watch how to do or to actually put one on, then I highly recommend going over to that video. So that is it, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope it brings some value to you, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.